Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a wash and go using Mielle Organics, and this is their pomegranate and honey leave-in. I've used this before. I don't remember if I've ever used it by itself on a video, so I am just going to be using one product today, and that is going to be this. And then this is going to be my first time trying out this Denman brush that people always talk about. So yeah, this is going to be a first impressions video on the Denman brush. Alright, let's get into this video. Okay, so first I'm going to start off by sectioning my hair off into two sections like I always do. And then I'm just going to work on a smaller section just to kind of make sure that everything gets evenly coated. I'm going to start off by just spraying that section with some water and make sure it's nice and damp before I apply my leave-in. As I said, I'm going to be using Mielle Organics, so I'm going to take a few pumps of that and just apply it to that section. So as you guys can see, like, it leaves my hair really moisturized. I know you guys can see that shine and moisturize and define. So since I am going to be trying a new technique, I'm going to section my hair off into another half. And okay, so I saw this on the Glam Twins channel, and they kind of just like use the Denman brush for the ends to kind of create like a spiral curl, which is not what happened right there. But you'll see, I'll get the hang of it eventually. But yeah, so I'm going to do that at the end of my hair, use the Denman brush at the ends for that little spiral curl, and then just go ahead and make sure that that top part doesn't get frizzy, and make sure that it stays defined by just applying more conditioner whenever I need. And so you guys can see right here how nice and defined my hair looks. No frizz whatsoever, at least not yet. And yeah, I'm just going to keep repeating these steps over and over until I finish my head. And I personally really like this leave-in. I don't really use much stylers. I like to get like a strong leave-in. So my top two favorites would be this and the kinky curly leave-in because it just works well with my hair. And yeah, I'm just going to keep doing this to my whole head. Use that Denman brush on the ends and then just go ahead and separate some of the curls. Alright guys, so this is my hair with all the product in it, and I don't have to tell you guys, I don't think I've ever seen my hair this defined, honestly. And I don't know why I was sleeping on this freaking Denman brush, because I'll just wait to see how it looks when my hair is dry. I don't want to get too excited, but I can already tell that it's going to be a good wash and go. You kind of just know your hair, so I'm excited to see how it looks when it dries. So yeah, see you guys when it's dry. Alright guys, so I'm finally back like freaking 6 hours later. My hair isn't completely dried. I do air dry, so it kind of takes forever to air dry, but that's okay. I'm gonna take some of my As I Am Long and Luxe Grow Hair Oil, and I'm gonna apply this to the ends and to the roots of my hair just to get rid of some of that crunch. But my hair is actually pretty soft, so I'm loving the results, by the way. So this is the end product, and if I could just separate this. If I want to, I could just separate it a little more. But I don't know where I've been, why I haven't been using the Denman brush, because I love the results and I feel like my ends are super defined, my hair is super defined. But I will say, I guess I used the brush a little bit too much up here, and that's why it's not as defined as the ends. So I'm just gonna start doing it like only on the ends, because I did that a little bit, but I guess I went up a little bit too high and it kind of got like frizzy. But I still love it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you liked the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Some say the blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice. They say the darker the flesh, then the deeper the roots. I give a holler to my sisters on welfare too.